Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Qatar Airways account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Qatar Airways account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address qatarairways.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Qatar Airways. Now let's agree the cookie and cache over here. Now from over here, in order to log into your Qatar Airways, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login and a sign up button available for us over here. In order to sign into our account, you'll be first required to click on the login button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where we'll be able to log into our Qatar Airways account from over here. Now in order to log into your account, either you'll be required to enter your email address or your membership number with which you have signed up for a Qatar Airways account, and I'll be entering the email address. You can do it from your membership number as well. And after that, enter your password, guys. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Qatar Airways account's password. And after entering your email address, your password, guys, click on this button where it says that I'm not a robot, in order to verify that you're a human. And after verification, you can see, guys, this is the login button available for us. But also, guys, you can also log into your Qatar Airways account with your Google account if you want to. Click on this button over here. A login panel to your Google account will open, and if you sign into your Google account on this panel, after clicking over here, you will be logged into your Qatar Airways account with your Google account. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Qatar Airways account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Qatar Airways account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.